बड़ी अहम खबर का, जी हां, कथित सेक्स स्कैंडल का ये पूरा मामला कर्नाटक एसआईटी ने प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को लेकर केंद्र सरकार को अब एक लेटर लिखा है। ये बड़ी खबर आपको इसमें बता दें, कर्नाटक एसआईटी ने पासपोर्ट रद्द करने की मांग की है। प्रज्वल रेवन्ना के जो पासपोर्ट है उसे रद्द करने की बात यहां पर कही जा रही है। प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को वापस लाने के लिए प्रयास किया जाए। और सीधे रुक करेंगे हमारे सहयोगी दीपक का, जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ गए हैं। दीपक, ये बड़ा कदम उठाया गया है, पासपोर्ट रद्द करने की डिमांड यहां पर की गई है, और क्या कुछ अपडेट है?
Well, now these are all efforts, of course, to try and ensure that Prajwal Revanna is eventually arrested or at least brought back to Bengaluru, where he, of course, could be arrested. But in the past as well, we've seen the Chief Minister write to the Ministry of Home Affairs that they should be cancelling his diplomatic passport. Now, we've seen, the SIT request for a blue corner notice through which only information about a person can be given to the CBI in turn to the SIT from the Interpol. But right now, of course, with no information about him returning, no information about whether he has any plans of returning, and him being absconding, the SIT probably feels that cancellation of his diplomatic passport is one of the means through which they can try and bring him back. That's the reason they have now written to the MEA, is what we're picking up. And we'll really have to see how the response comes in from the External Affairs Ministry. And once it does, and if they do decide on cancellation of the passport, how things pan out for Mr. Prajwal Revanna is something that remains to be seen.
बिल्कुल, ये बड़ा अपडेट इस बीच आ रहा है। दीपक, आपसे ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प इन प्रोब?
Well, it is going to be a big move as far as the investigation is concerned, because the challenges now that the state SIT faces is actually going to another country and bringing him back. Cancellation of a diplomatic passport will ensure that he, of course, does not enjoy the privileges that the diplomatic passport brings with itself. Now, a common man traveling with a regular passport to, a member of parliament traveling with a diplomatic passport is quite different in terms of the procedures for visa, in terms of security checks, in terms of clearances, moving from one country to the other.
बिल्कुल दीपक, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और बीच में ही आपको रोकना चाहूंगी।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.